Welcome to video 8.4c, a shadow reckoning problem. These are classic problems. Every math teacher loves them. You'll see them on the ACT, the SAT, any trigonometry class will have them. So here it goes. And just to let you know, triangle similarity forms the basis for a whole class called trigonometry. Okay, so example 4. Judy noticed that a flagpole 20 meters high casts a shadow 25 meters long. Nearby, at the same time, a telephone pole casts a shadow 35 meters long. How tall was the telephone pole? Okay, it's important that it's nearby. If you're at different latitudes, the sun could behave differently with the angle. And of course, it matters that it's at the same time. The sun has different angles at different times. Okay, so let's draw a picture. I'll start with the telephone pole here. I'll put the sun over here. It's got a certain shadow. And then over here I'll have the flagpole. The sun is at the same relative angle. And that's the shadow there. One more assumption. We're also going to assume that the flagpole and the telephone are upright, forming a 90-degree angle. If not, then the whole problem wouldn't work out this way. Okay, so let's put down what I know. The telephone pole, the flagpole was 20 meters high, and 25 meters was the shadow. The telephone pole, we don't know how high it was. I'll call that X. And its shadow was 35. Okay, so what's important to know here is nearby and at the same time, the angle of elevation of the sun is going to be the same. So that means this angle here and this angle here are going to be the same. The angle of elevation of the sun is the same in a nearby location at the same time. Okay, well then the triangles are similar based on angle similarity. And if the triangles are similar, I can set up a proportion and I can solve for x. That's the crux of the problem. Okay, so when setting up proportions, just be consistent. So you could say, I'll just do it this way. I'll say flag stuff over telephone stuff. So I'll say 20 over x equals 25 over 35. Again, you can set it up however you want, just be consistent. Then cross multiply. 25x equals 20 times 35. I can divide each side by 5. I'll just start like that. I'll get 5x, this will be 7, equals 140. I could divide by 5 again. Divide by 10, 14 double 28. So x would equal 28 meters. And again, x is the answer to your question. So we're done. The telephone pole is 28 meters high. That's a very tall telephone pole, but we'll just pretend like it exists. So there you have it. How to do a shadow reckoning problem.